In the last class, we stopped at PO receipts level. Now, the next step here is this is class number 6, p2p cycle, uh, part 3. We'll see like what was the invoice on 2nd February, right? The PO number we'll see. 6805 is the PO number. I'm continuing with this only. Go to purchasing responsibility. Okay. I'm not sure what is the receipt number because I have not noted, right? So at that time, what you can do, link between PO and receipt. This is very important. In the backend, we need to identify. So PO number is stored in PO headers all, receipt number is stored in RC shipment headers. But there is no straight join between those two. Go to PO headers all. PO number is stored in segment 1. PO number. Now, next is RC shipment headers. RSH. RSH dot receipt now. But there is no straight join between these two. So we have to use one more, that is RCV shipment lines. Between these two, shipment letter ID is the primary key is equivalent to shipment letter ID. And RSL dot PO header ID. Yeah, PO header ID is a primary key of PO header salt table. That's it. Between these two, shipment header ID, and between PO header sol and RC shipment lines is a PO header ID. It's very easy actually. That PO number is stored in segment 1. PO number somewhere I kept, right? What is that PO number?
6804, sir.
Yeah.
No,
Yes.
05.
These were right. Who is answering?
Sure, sir. Sure.
Okay, good. Nice follow. 9139 is the receipt number. Okay. Now the another question, follow-up question is here. So whenever we create a receipt, actually, one program will be submitted automatically. So program name is payables open interface import. It's already submitted. Okay. Once you create a receipt, once you create a receipt, the program will be submitted automatically like this. Okay. On February 2nd, the invoice is created. Okay, this is the 4th February. You can see somewhere. Yeah, this is the one invoice. This is the invoice we created. So if you want to derive from backend, we have to use one more another query from PO distribution solve. At distribution level only, we can see a join. PDA. In the same way, AP invoice distribution solve. PO distribution ID. Now PO headers, AP invoices. Sorry. Invoice ID. Equivalent PDA dot PO header ID. So actually, if there are 4 tables in the from class, 4 - 1, 3 joins required. So first what I did is I made a link at distribution level. This is the link, this one. Then after that, PO level tables join. Then invoice level joins it is. Now PHA dot segment 1. I don't know invoice number. That is the reason why I'm going with this method. On that day, I have noted, I could have noted down, but I have not noted down. Segment 1, PO number, invoice number. It's not there. So invoice will create now. On that day, we have not created it since on 2nd February. Of course, here there are some entries. Maybe that is related to other purchase orders. So now what we can do, go to, so requisitions first. I'm creating a new requisition. Actually, on the day we have not opened a periods in payables. That is the reason why it is not showing the record. So today we'll see. It's very for that particular PO, why invoice is not there is period is not open. I'm creating a new record very quickly. Uh, you practice a number of times, guys, and don't get confused. Now, whenever you try to create a receipt, it will submit one program, as I mentioned, payables open interface import. So along with that, first some programs will be there. Receiving transaction processor, pay on receipt auto invoice. Then one more is payables open interface intro. Let's wait for that. Refresh. This is the program. So what is the use of this program is it will create invoice automatically. And this is for it will create PO receipt automatically. That's about that actually. Anyway, first let me note down the invoice number. This is the invoice number. Okay. Now what we can do, fire the same query which you developed. Check the PO number 6824. 6824. This is the invoice number 232024. Check 232024. Yes. Just whenever someone asks you what is the link between PO and invoice. So we have to say only one time, that is PO distribution ID. Take this. The question is what it is? Join between PO and invoice. Okay. So now go to payables responsibility. Invoices. Inquiry also we can use it, but go with the entry only. We need to do some operations, right? So F11, this is the invoice number, right? Take this invoice number, which is already created automatically. We can create manually also invoice. Now, as of now, status is never validated. Go to actions, validate. Validate means it will check all the dates, terms, everything. It has to come as a validated. Yeah, it's validated. And this status you can derive from one API. So take this table name, AP invoices all. So in the same query, we can use it. Same query I'm using. Okay. AP invoices utility PKZ dot get validation status, get approval status. So for this, there are a couple of parameters you have to pass it. Okay, same parameters I'm copying here. L means local variable, but invoice ID, you copy over here, comma, invoice amount. These are all parameters. Then third parameter is payment. Payment is paid or not as of now. If it is paid, yes. If it is not paid, no. Like that. It's a flag. Flag means yes or no. Overall, four parameters. Invoice type lookup code means type of invoice, this one. That is one parameter. The payments done or not, this checkbox here, payments. Third parameter is what it is. your invoice amount, like that it is. Status. Column ambiguously defined. Okay, this is from AIA. This is the way we can see. Status is approved. But in the application, if you see status is what it is, validated. So we have to use a decode here. Decode is a function. Whatever you see the status is approved, same thing we have to represent as a validated. That's it. Like this. Like decode function is required here. It's very easy. Decode is an if then else logic. Decode of the value of it is approved. If it is approved, we have to replace as validated. So what I will do, I'm just making it two parts like this. Status. Simply, I just decode it, nothing else. You format this so that you will get to know in a proper way. Shift Control F is for formatting. It's good. See, representation is very nice here. Here, open bracket, close bracket, like this. So this is the point here. How to display AP invoice approval status. How to display it by using get approval status API. This is the API we have to remember. Parameters and all, if you forget also no problem, because if you press F4 describing, you can see all this. Just go up, we can see all the values also. Okay, that's about that. And one more we have seen here. How to display invoice number for particular view. That query we have already used. Sorry, that's for receipt. Okay, same query and we have used, right? Anyway, query no need to copy. But join condition is this. This is the join condition. Join between PO and AP invoice. Okay. Now, next step here is create accounting. So create accounting, final mode. Accounting has been successfully created. It is yes. Once it is created accounting, we can see into view accounting. Very good place. Debit account and credit account. This in OTC we have already seen. To see the tables behind this, where to go, guys? Can you tell me? How to check backend tables in a wireframe page? Ishwar? Dilesh? Hmm, guys, Dilesh, you don't know this? Logeshwaran? Sonali? I'm not able to hear voice. Janaki. Janaki, I think you are a new joining.
Yes, sir. Today first class.
Yes, yes. Actually, today is the sixth class. Okay, I'll give you all the videos. Don't
Yeah,
get
okay, sir.
confused. Okay, so I'll make you understand all this. In the last classes, we discussed everything. Okay, so
Yeah, okay, sir.
today, I'll help you like how to start, where to start the previous classes and all. I'll give it to you. It will take 1 week
Okay,
time for you to cope up with the current batch. Okay, I'll
okay, sir.
assign
Thank
someone
you.
to help you also. Mohammed, are you there? Sonali? Okay, that's fine. I think you are not able to recall it since. So to know the backend tables, it's very easy actually. Go to about this page. There is a link here about this page. Business component reference details. You can see the view object. View object will have a query. You can click on this lines. You can see the tables. XLA means subledger accounting.
Application.
A headers, lines, all the tables. If you feel it is not relevant, you can go with the inquiry, get details. If just double click on this and you can go to tone, put the query, format it. Shift Control F,
Yeah,
check the tables. So these are all subledger accounting tables.
actually headers lines. Yeah.
Right, right. These are all the tables. So create accounting tables. Forget about aliases, but tables are this.
Just navigation forgot.
Yes, you should know the navigation, that's enough. But then after that, we have to make a payment. For payment, what you can do, you can go to actions, pay in full. We are making a full payment. Partially also we can do that. Right now, you don't need to know that. So payment method is check. You have to take check. Click on this payment document. It will give you the number.
Check 204.
Yeah. Do not select all the other currencies, UK currency or something. So you can go with the. Okay. Meantime, what you can do? There is a disbursement account. Disbursement tab. Tab. Yeah. Select any one of this, and it will give you the number. Document number is the payment number only.
Okay.
Click this checkbox. Click on this. It has to give you the number here. We are in workbench only. This is called a workbench. So now if you look at here, this document number 17 is based on this particular invoice. And tables are easy to remember. Go to record history. The table is AP checks all. And here is the place that is AP invoice payments. So only two tables are there. Go to the code. To the same query I'm adding. Same query. Two tables. AP checks all. AC, AP,
Invoice payments.
right. Between these two. Invoice ID and AP invoice all. Invoice ID. Okay. And here For AP checks all check ID. In the same way, here also check ID. Okay. So two joins we need to add here. Check ID. Check ID. Query.
Invoice ID.
Right.
AIPA dot invoice ID.
Perfect. So query preparation is very easy actually, but in the initial phase, people will feel very difficult, but it's easy actually. So practice a number of times. Check number. Check number is what it is, guys. Payment number only, right? Do you see? 17 is a payment number. Why it is showing multiple numbers is some multiple lines it has. That's okay. Check number is what it is. 17. Got it? So that's about the link here, guys. Okay. Link between AP invoice and AP payment. So what is the link if I ask you? Link is what it is, this one. Check ID
Okay.
from AP checks all. Check ID from AP invoice payments all. That's a join. Okay. And in the last step, here also we have to do a create accounting. Because it's unprocessed, right? Actions, create account. We have three modes here, draft, final, final. If final is not working, you can go with the draft also. To put payment on hold, we can use void as well. Void is holding a payment. Okay, it is processed. So then after that, we have to transfer to GL. Go to view. There is a program here. In ECC also, we have submitted that program. Same program we can use. We would recall this program name.
Transfer to GL. General ledger.
Full program name. Full program name. Program name is what is?
Transfer.
Transfer journal entry.
Yeah.
See, through create accounting also we can transfer it. Okay. You no need to use this.
Vision operation.
Yes. So today was which date? Fifth is it?
Yes.
Posting we'll see later.
Hello.
Same step. O to C also we have performed the same step. Refresh. There is a journal import program, we output.
Yeah.
It is success. So take this entire batch, it's a batch actually. Go to general ledger.
General ledger vision operation.
Last O2C, I have already shown
Ledger not batch.
tables, everything, correct? You'll be able to recall what was the tables? This one,
GLJE headers, GLJE lines,
GLJ.
GLJE batches, GL balances.
Yeah, balances when it will be affected is after posting only it will be affected. Okay. At the time of entry, we cannot see that. Take this post. After posting only, GL balances will be updated.
Updated.
We successfully completed P2P cycle, guys. We have some questions in P2P. Okay. So once you practice it, we'll have another 20-30 minutes discussion. Whatever pending questions and all we can see. Again, requery. Okay, it is error. Yes. So the error I'll copy. It's good actually. We got error. The error is what it is. Unopened secondary ledger period. Okay. Secondary ledger we have to open. First of all, identify the secondary ledger. We go to setup, financials, accounting setup manager, accounting setups. Yes, ledger name is vision operations. Click on go. Update accounting options. Yeah, this is a secondary ledger. It's already there. Okay, I'm just telling you. Reporting vision operations, GL related. IAS, it is IAS. It's a name. Another general ledger is there here. It's already there. This IFRS is attached. Setup, open, close. Here, period you have to open per particular month. So, Feb month. This month we have to open. Then only it will allow for posting. Check the checkbox. So, these are all functional people will take care, but don't worry. It's a simple navigation only. Yeah, we have to refresh it. It's completed. Go back to your another responsibility, the original responsibility. So, journals post. Batch name. It's a postable now. Post. You can verify your inquiry journal. Selected for posting. Okay. Let's see. Requery again. Your major work will be this tables, joins. Don't ignore every table, whatever we are discussing. Requery again. Yes, posted. Now to identify what is the general entry for that AP invoice payments, there will be a common query will be there. So I'll just take it. Just combinedly added all the tables. So this query I'll send it to you. It's called as a drill down query. Why drill down is whenever you are in SGL, you are going back to subledger, going back to your invoice. I'm just using one more tab. Invoice number. Invoice number. I have not noted down. So go with the tab. Control tab, you can use it. Oh, it is not showing another tab. Okay. Here's the invoice. First, I'll fire this query. P means posted here.
of the colon
Yeah, code. It's code.
port of substar port.
Let's see. Actually, it should not take this much time. Performance rate is slow. Yeah. So this is it is showing everything. The reason is, see, we have combined couple of. Okay, there are subqueries. That is the reason why it is taking time. What I'll do, guys, I'll remove unwanted things now only. Let me check what is unwanted in this. Some subquery is not required for us. This is not required. These are all related to project accounting. Query, invoice, SQL one. These two SQLs not needed. We have added, if you are getting project details also, it is needed. Otherwise, not needed. Perfect. Removed. Any other joins? These two joins also we need to remove. Perfect. Now I'll fire this query. Still it is taking time. What is the use of this query is from AP to GL, every table I have added. Sometimes server is issue also will be there. Okay, meantime, anyway, this query is giving a proper result. All the invoices, invoice amounts, code combinations, all this. So I'll tell you the exact joins. So here, AP, SLA, GL. All the tables we have added here. AP side, AP invoice all lines, all distributions, all. Subledger accounting side, Excel headers, lines, event, those are all. GL side, GL headers, GL line, GL import references like that. First is we are coming from GL. We can use here GL import references. This one. GIR means here GL import references. Just go back. GIRC, GL import references. So go with the yellow. Okay. That's one. Okay. There are two columns required. GLSL link ID, GLSL link table. Two columns from same tables. So after XLA lines, just check what is the other table, Excel AE lines. Excel AE lines. This one. Excel AE lines with the AE header ID. This is a second join. Okay. Now with XAH, XAH stands for what it is, XAH, XLA AE headers, this one. Okay. Now after XLA XAH, XLA transaction entities, this one. This is a third join, third drill down. Now XAH, XT to AP noise. So this is the fourth one. 4 drill down back we are coming. Okay. AIA means AP invoices all. XT means XLA transaction entities. This one. Okay, that's a red color, we can use it. And the last one is AP invoices all. Blue color. Okay. Don't get confused, guys. Just 4 colors are applied. This first GL import references to XLAE lines, then XLAE lines to XLAE headers. Then after that, XLAE headers to entities, entities to AP invoices, transaction entities to AP invoices. If anyone asks you what is a drill down from GL to AP invoice, 4 joins you have to definitely tell all this. This first level, second level, third level, fourth level. So many tables we have combined here. AP invoices, Excel transaction entities, GL tables, all this. Okay. This is called as a drill down query or backtracking. My discussion is completed here in P2P. This query, I'll share it with you, query and notes. So can you please tell me if you have any queries? I'm thinking to stop at this moment. So be ready by 6 o'clock, guys, daily, so that it will be very easy for me also to finish quickly. Set an alarm daily. This is the best time actually. You will have a fresh mind. Any queries before closing? By 9 o'clock, be ready for practice. Do combined practice. If you have any issues, let me know. And install everyone Ultra Viewer. Whenever there is an issue, just share your screen. I'll quickly close it. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Janaki, Anuja, Ishwar, Logesh, Sonali. Some people are not speaking. I don't know why. Any issue? And someone joined with MM. Okay. Give your full name, guys. Whenever you join to the Zoom meeting, give your full name. And many people are not joined. I'll speak with them today. What was the issue? In this batch, more than 40 members are there, but only joined 15 members.